Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to delete a selected parent category when the user clicks on the trash icon. Add the delete parent category method to the category's Livewire component class. Next, we need to listen for this dispatched event in the category's blade file. As you can see, when I click on the trash icon, I get the ID of the selected parent category. In this process, we'll use the Ijabo Packs confirmation modal to confirm the deletion of the parent category. However, you can also use the SweetAlert jQuery plugin. When I click on the delete icon, I get this confirmation modal. Let's reduce the font size of this modal. Nice, it looks much better now. We need to delete this parent category when the user clicks on the Yes, Delete button. Next, we need to listen for this event inside the category's Livewire component class. In future videos, we'll check if the parent category has related subcategories, or children, before deleting it. But in today's video, let's just focus on deleting the parent category. When the parent category is deleted successfully, display a success message. Otherwise, display an error message. Let's test it. Suppose I want to delete the Artificial Intelligence Tutorials category. When I click the Cancel button, nothing happens. But when I click Yes, Delete button, I get this success message. The parent category has been deleted, and the table updates without refreshing the page. Looking at the database, we can see that the Artificial Intelligence Tutorials category has been deleted. I hope you learned how to delete a parent category. In the next video, we'll start adding categories to the database.